Hi there, welcome to our science session. Today we're going to talk about something super important in chemistry, moles. Don't worry if it sounds confusing right now. By the end of this video, you'll be a mole expert. Let's dive in. First, what exactly is a mole? Well, a mole is just a way to count really tiny things like atoms, molecules, or ions. You know how we use dozens to count eggs? A dozen means 12 eggs. Similarly, a mole is a fixed number of particles. But instead of 12, a mole is 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23 particles. That's a huge number. It's called Avogadro's number, named after the scientist Amedeo Avogadro. Now you might be wondering, why do we need such a big number? Well, atoms and molecules are so tiny that we can't count them one by one. So chemists use moles to make it easier. For example, if I say 1 mole of carbon atoms, it means 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23 carbon atoms. This helps us measure substances in labs and balance chemical equations. Next, let's talk about molar mass. Molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a substance. It's usually expressed in grams per mole, g mole. For example, the molar mass of carbon C is 12 grams per mole, and the molar mass of water, H2O, is 18 grams per mole. How do we calculate, Giras? Simple. Just add up the atomic masses of all the atoms in the molecule. Now let's learn some important mole equations. These equations help us convert between moles, mass, and the number of particles. Here are the 3 key formulas. Moles to mass, mass to moles, moles to particles. Let's try an example problem to make this clearer. Suppose you have 36 grams of water, H2O. How many moles is that? Let's solve it step by step. Find the molar mass of water. H2O equals 2 times 1 plus 16, which is 18 grams per mole. Use the mass to moles formula. Moles equals mass divided by molar mass, which is 36 grams divided by 18 grams per mole equals 2 moles. So, 36 grams of water is equal to 2 moles. Easy, right? Moles are super important in chemistry because they help us understand reactions. For example, when you balance a chemical equation, the coefficients tell you the ratio of moles of each substance. Like in the reaction 2H2 plus O2 gives you 2H2O. This means 2 moles of hydrogen react with 1 mole of oxygen to form 2 moles of water. Cool, right? Alright, let's recap. A mole is 6.22 times 10 to the 23rd particles. Molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a substance. You can convert between moles, mass, and particles using the equations we learned. Don't worry if it takes a little practice to get the hang of it. Keep trying, and soon you'll be a mole master. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!